Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Ps4 down completely and waiting until all lights are off. This ensures a clean safe mode boot. Next, plug your DualShock 4 into the console with a USB cable. Safe mode requires a wired connection so the controller can pair. Once connected, press and hold the Ps4 power button for about 7 seconds until you hear a second beep. This forces safe mode to load. Keep the cable secure so the console can recognize the controller as it boots. Once the safe mode menu appears, press the controller's PS button to pair. The console looks for a wired input signal. If the controller doesn't respond, swap to a known good USB cable and a different front port because many cables charge only rather than transmit data. Make sure you aren't using a USB hub, plug directly into the Ps4. When the controller registers, you'll be able to navigate the safe mode options, so select the action you need, like Restart System or Change Resolution, using the newly paired controller. Finish by executing the safe mode operation you chose and then restart the Ps4 normally. Once booted, disconnect the USB cable and press the PS button to reconnect wirelessly. If the controller still won't pair, reset the DualShock 4 using the small pinhole on the back for 5 seconds. This clears pairing conflicts. If problems persist, test a different controller. This quickly tells you whether the issue is the console or the controller. Make sure cables and ports are functional throughout to avoid false troubleshooting paths.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.